Welcome to the Canon Customer Experience Center. I'm Prakash Nair, the showroom facilities manager. We have many products that we are showcasing here. We cover all categories, from basic entry-level printers to top-end production printers. Not excluding white format. You see we're directly in front of the Colorado M series. A brilliant device. I need to say a sexy-looking device. But not to leave out the flagship 1350 V1350 printer, a production printer. Those that could not make it to the facility, please make an attempt to come through. There's a lot to see, a lot to touch and feel. We do application testing, media testing, and the facility obviously, as it should, if you have a look at the devices that we have here, right from office all the way to production print. So the next time you have a chance to come into the center, feel free to do so.